A BMW has not only to look good, but also to sound good. From engine, to doors, to indicators. Nothing is left to chance. Everything you hear is the work of the sound designers at the BMW Research and Innovation Center in Munich. They make quality audible. In my view, sound design is extremely important. Acoustics play a major part in the overall impression of a vehicle. Imagine a horror film with no sound. It would be boring. It's the same for a car. It needs the right soundtrack for maximum driving pleasure. Emma Faked is one of 14 sound artists working in acoustics. Getting the sound right isn't easy. The result has to be functional yet pleasant to the ear. If I engineer a seatbelt clunk that's so annoying it makes you get out of your car, then I've done something wrong. But if it sounds so nice you say to yourself, "Oh, what a lovely sound, I think I'll wait a bit before I put my belt on," well, then that's not any good either. Most important, the sound must suit the vehicle's character and fit the brand's image. BMW is almost quite classic in its orientation. Its sounds have a longer finish. Mini has a more of a crunch to it, a playfulness almost. The next step is Rolls-Royce, which currently has this check control sound. A harp. With BMW I, you can't really associate the sound with an instrument, but that's what we wanted because this is something quite new. It's not immediately recognizable. The acoustic artists do more than create harmonious soundtracks. They also eliminate irritating noises. Expert Marco Joib fits acceleration sensors to the car to locate unwanted sound sources. This is what we use to measure the vehicle's vibrations. When you drive over a curb or on cobbles, for example, the sensors pick up the vibrations so we can find out how the noise spreads around the interior. The readings are evaluated and the noise structures examined. Different colors show the differences in volume across the interior of the car. At this frequency, the sound is louder in the front of the car than in the back. And this is exactly what we need to know. Then we can balance it out through the loudspeaker system to reduce the effects. Or eliminate it completely. The acoustic experts are here to give the entire vehicle a harmonious overall sound and the typical character of a BMW.